Hello guys, welcome to the Ultra Styles. I am Janvi and today we are going to learn vocab as known as lexical resources related to crime and law. It is episode number 17 and you can check all the previous episodes on our channel Ultra Styles. In the last episode we have covered three words. The first word was rehabilitation. It is the act or process of rehabilitating. The second word was evasion. It is a variable noun and evasion means deliberately avoiding something that you are supposed to do or deal with. The third word was introspection. It is an uncountable noun and introspection is the examining of your own thoughts, ideas and feelings. Now, before moving to our next words, I want to announce that if you want your essays or letters to be checked or evaluated by a professional, you can join our Facebook group and the link is in the description box, so don't forget to check it. Now, the first word is repercussion. It is pronounced as like this. Repercussion. It is a countable noun, and if an action or event has repercussions, it causes unpleasant things to happen sometime after the original action or event. Let's look at the synonyms. Consequences, result, side effects, backlash. Let's look at the example. It was an effort which was to have painful repercussions. Let's look at the collocations. Have repercussion for, have repercussion in, have repercussion on. Let's look at the grammar part. The plural is repercussions. Now let's move to another word, obstacle. It is a countable noun and you have heard this word many times. So let's go to the definition. An obstacle is an object that makes it difficult for you to go where you want to go because it is in your way. You can refer to anything that makes it difficult for you to do something as an obstacle. Let's go for the synonyms. Hurdle, block, obstruction, barrier, hindrance, bar. Let's look at the example. Most competition cars will only roll over if they hit an obstacle. To succeed, you must learn to overcome obstacles. Let's go for the collocations. Overcome obstacle, remove obstacle, main obstacle, major obstacle, obstacle 2. Let's look for the grammar part. The plural is obstacles. Let's jump to another word, dictator. It is a countable noun. A dictator is a ruler who has complete power in a country, especially power which was obtained by force and is used unfairly or cruelly. Dictator, the synonym could be absolute ruler. The example could be a dictator is a ruler who has complete power in a country, especially power which was obtained by a force and is used unfairly or cruelly. It is the definition which was used as example. Let's go for the collocations. Follow dictate, dictate choice, dictate policy, dictate by. Let's go for the other things. The plural is dictators. In the next video, we will cover the word attorney, ministry, racism and many more. Until then, like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to check the link in the description box. Thank you so much.